Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome to another live trading session. So we are Tuesday, June 27th. Already, already the end of the month. Jeez, I know I keep repeating myself, but man, time flies by. Crazy, 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 crazy. Um, so let's get going for another live trading session. If you're new here, welcome. If you're watching the replay, welcome also. And even if you're watching the replay or the live session, make sure to smash the like button. Okay. I know I keep repeating myself a little while, but we need to get the algorithm going again. Okay. Yeah, it's really YouTube is really tough, man. Really, YouTube is really tough. Once you take a break, the algorithm is not on your side anymore. So you really need your help there to spread the word. Okay, so let's see here. We got Paul. How you doing, Paul? Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully everybody's doing great. So we'll see this morning if we can milk money out of the market or not. I'm actually in two trades right now, so we're gonna break those down. And yeah, see if we can give you another trade idea here. Okay, so let's jump into it. It should be a quick one today. Lately I got some early meetings, so I gotta leave early. But yeah, let's jump into it. Enough talking. Enough talking. Enough talking. Okay, let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's start with GJ here. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's start with GJ. And as you come in, make sure to say hi and let me know if it's the first time here. Let me know where you're from. Just curious. Okay, so let's start with GJ. Okay, so GJ, we're gonna look at two things. We're gonna look at the swing opportunity and we're gonna look at the scalp opportunity. And let's start with the swing. Okay, so if we look at the swing here, I mean, on the weekly time frame, we're just like fully bullish here. Um, and we are at a weekly higher high. Okay, so I hate when price is right at it because I cannot see my annotation here, but whatever. It says weekly higher high. Okay, so basically, do I want to buy here? No. Plus, look at this. Look at this massive weekly candle. Look at this small one here. Okay, so you can tell that momentum is dying here by pushing up here. So we are overdue for pullback to continue up. Okay, so for swing, I'm not interested. Like last week, I'm still not interested in GJ, meaning that I'll be waiting mostly for something like this. Oops, not the sideways one. Um, if you look at the daily, we're also at a higher high, and we're breaking here again. So I don't know. I'm just for me not interested. Looking at 4 hour, 4 hour, same shit. We're gonna definitely update this here and this here, and you see this 4 hour wick. This 4 hour candle has no wick at the top, so meaning there's less probability for price to continue to the upside. So yeah, so not interested in GJ for swing for sure. So now let's take a look at scalps. Scalps opportunity here. If we look at um, scalp. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame here, maybe if we have like a pullback around like this area on the 30 minute, here we got the break of structure. So yeah, no, looks like we're coming down now. So now the 30 minute is bearish and the 1 hour is still bullish. But if this 1 hour do break under here, we're gonna be bearish. So we might take a look at a counter trend trade, maybe like on the 30 minute or 15 minute to break retest under this area. Oops. Something like this. But I don't know. I'm not a fan, to be honest. So yeah, not a fan. Not a fan. I like to go with the trend. So now let's take a look at what else we got. We got GU. GU is looking nice. Here is the weekly time frame. So the weekly is bullish. Okay, so weekly is bullish. We got our daily slash weekly area of interest right here. I don't know why I wrote daily because oh yeah, it's weekly daily. Okay, sorry. Let me extend this so it's clear. Okay, so we've got a weekly daily area of interest right here. We went down almost to it. So that's why I didn't took the entry yet, because I still think we can come down a little lower. Plus, this is the daily golden zone, so I'm gonna definitely be waiting for this here. Definitely gonna be waiting for this. And yeah, so it does look nice. It does look nice. Not gonna lie. I mean, if you look at this daily candle, we got a daily doji. So I mean, if this daily close bullish, we're gonna have support form. So maybe after that, we're gonna be able to go move to the upside. We kind of rejected the golden zone, so I don't know. We'll see after this daily candle. I was about to take a trade on this, but I was like, maybe I'm too early. I don't know. The 4 hour is still bullish because I mean this is the higher low and this is the higher high, so we're still bullish here. Um, we're still bullish at this stage. I didn't count that as an elbow. Should I? I don't know. It's just like it was such a tiny, not a big curve here. So even there, even if I did count this elbow, I mean, meaning that it would be flipping bearish. Okay, great, great, great. And now by closing above here, did we close above? By closing above here, yeah, we became bullish. So meaning that right now, like on the 30-minute time frame, if you move down, if you break the high here, you're now bullish and you can take the trade basically. Okay, but I had a better opportunity on USD. I'm gonna do it in order. So I started USD CHF yesterday night. So yesterday night I jumped into USD CHF. Kind of missed my TP last week, and continuation of the move. So if you look at the weekly time frame right here, the weekly is bearish. Okay, so weekly is definitely bearish. You see the lower high here and the lower low. We went up here, we retested, and if you see the continuation here on the daily, we came down, broke, retested, we missed. I mean, yes, here it says that I hit TP, but I kind of closed at like 5 pips profit when we came back to my entry after that. So I missed my entry by a couple pips. So I was really, 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 really mad. My TP was right here, at this line. So I missed it by, what was it here? 73, uh, 80. So 7 pips. So kind of missed my TP by 7 pips. I was pretty mad. This happened overnight. So, anyways, so now let's see what happened here. So we got the daily forming another resistance here after retesting. We got the 4 hour time frame. If you look here, I know there's maybe I'm too early in that trade. We'll see. And the only reason why it's because I mean we got this famous shampoo pattern right here. So I guess like at the break of the break and retest under here, you can continue down. I kind of took it earlier than this, and the reason why it's the 4 hour time frame went bearish. Okay, so if you look at those red lines here, I mean, this is our lower high, this is our lower low, and I waited for the pullback. I waited for the 4 hour pullback and to continue to continue to downside. So eventually, when we're gonna break this low, this gonna become my lower high. So it's a lower high potential. Okay, so and how I did that is two things. First thing I did use my fib right here, and we went inside that golden zone, meaning like our pullback is mostly completed. And if you look on the 2 hour, I mean, we got a nice bearish engulfing candle right here. This was not my entry, but it was the confirmation. After I saw that 2 hour candle close like this, I went to bed. I was like, all right, I'm good, but basically I took the entry right here. Where was it? Hold on, is that my exact entry? Hold on, give me one sec here. 89,507. 89,507. So just a bit lower. And the stop is 89,702. 89,702. Something like this. And what TP is going to be TP. Okay, so basically, TP, we're looking at 321. There we go. Perfect. Okay, excellent. Okay, so oh yeah, it was based out of the 5 minute. Yeah, it was super aggressive, like this one. I just remember. Yeah, I almost took it like after this small double top right here on the 5 minute. So if you look here, um, by the way, guys, I don't know. I'm not seeing the chat, so hold on, give me one sec. I don't know why I cannot see the chat, but let's see. Is the chat activated? Did I close the chat? I don't know. I don't know what I did, but whatever. Just make sure to smash the like button as you comment, guys. Okay, so on the 5 minute, you see here this. Where's my arrow? Right here. We got this 5 minute double bottom, and once we kind of get that nice engulfing, I was like, oh, let me get in here. And I kind of choked it and I didn't enter. I waited for this engulfing, went to do something, came back, and that 5 minute started very quickly. And I was like, oh shit. And I got in a little late with the spread. So my entry is right here. Okay. Um, and also, if you look at the 15 minutes, it was right here, right? Where was it? On the 15, no, so this was a 1, so that was right here. Yeah, this one right here. So engulf like this doji, and yeah, so I was kind of late. um but yeah, so and after that, when I saw the 2 hour close, this is where I went to bed. I was like, all right, this is it, because this could have been my entry basically. I was a little earlier than the 2 hour candle, but this, you can also enter at the opening of this candle, put stop above, and you're good. Because I mean, if you break and close above here, I mean, your trade idea isn't valid, because now we're going back bullish. So that's good. So this trade is now, hold on, where is it? USD CHF, USD CHF. Only 5 pips profit right now. So yeah. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It went a little deeper here, but it's all good. It's all good. Looks good though. 1 hour still, wait, creating like lower low and lower high. So that's pretty good. So if you have any question about that trade, let me know. Send me a question in DM by Instagram or in this chat, and I'll go reply. Because I know that many of you who's watching the replay, right? And that's all good. AUD USD. Yeah, I just entered that trade and look like yeah, doesn't look good, this one. Yeah, if this one close, hold on. Anyways, let's do the breakdown first. So weekly, okay? So weekly looking super nice. We are bullish. We came down and retested this daily area of interest. I was like, all right, great. Awesome. If you look at the daily, we're so bullish. Inside the daily golden zone, we got a doji rejection right here. So nice daily candle rejection. And yeah, of course, it would be nicer with a bullish daily candle to enter after. I think that would be safer, but still pretty good. The 4 hour time frame went bullish, meaning that here we were bearish, right? Boom. And once we broke above here, we became bullish. So waited for the retest of the structure, also golden zone inside the H4 to continue up. And what I did is I went on the 30-minute time frame, and you see the 30-minute went bullish, even the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is actually cleaner. So the 1 hour went bullish, but my problem is I didn't count this as an elbow, and I think I should have. If you look here on the 30-minute, so we got this right here, but here we didn't break, so we're good. Yeah, we're good. We're still bullish here. The only other thing is this is not an elbow because we don't make a curve. So yeah, so I think we should still be good. This is our lower low, so stop is under, and if we go there, meaning that the trade is invalid. So yeah, we'll see. We shall see. I did enter on the 30-minute after this nice engulfing candle here on 30-minute. And this was my entry basically. And this is the exact entry with the spread because I just put it in before coming in, which is 066 934. Is that correct? 066 930. Yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, so that's about it. Et bon matin, bon matin. Bon matin, Zach. J'espère que ça va bien. All right, guys. So I know I received many questions by DMs about the elbow structure. So I know that some of you is going to be watching the replay because you guys are time zone difference. I know you guys sent me a DM about that. Who was it? There's 3 person who actually sent me a question about that. Where are they? Let me see. Anyways, I don't find it, but we're gonna cover those. Okay, we're gonna cover those, so bear with me. We're gonna cover those for sure. So yeah, so let's see here how it goes. So AD USD looks super nice, but right now in drawdown USD CHF we are in profit. So we'll see how those two play out. There's also NZD USD that looks pretty good. It's crazy because last week I only took one trade because I mean nothing was ready. Yesterday nothing was ready, and now everything showed up at the same time. It just drive me nuts. But yeah, and I don't want to risk too much at the same time. Right now I got 1% on each trade, so I'm risking 2% total. Both are set up at 3 to 1. So if both hit TP, I'm making 6% basically. So we'll see. But right now there's one in profit and one in drawdown. So meaning that if one win, one lose, I'm still making 2% profit. Okay, so now let's take a look at NZD USD because there's a pretty good potential also there. So if you look at NZD USD on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Okay. Give me one sec here. Ça va à merveille. Ouais, j'espère que tu as moins de questions à propos de cet fameux incident d'épais sur YouTube. Parce que oui, il y a beaucoup d'épais sur YouTube. Anyways, ben hâte de te voir, man. J'ai dû décaler mon trajet dans ton coin pour la semaine prochaine, fait que je te tiendrai au courant. All right, so NZD USD, guys, weekly bearish, like I said. So if you look here, let me grab the arrow here. All right, cool. So here we broke under here, so we became bearish, right? So we got to pull back, and now to continuation to the downside. So if you look at the daily time frame, we came up and retest the daily area of interest right here, and really nicely break retest under. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, and again, guys, this is not for I know there's some people also send me question about like sometimes I speak fast or I'm going too fast. It's because I know for a fact that there's many of you that's been following for a while and you know what I'm looking for. But please, if you're new and you want to understand some stuff that you don't, make sure you ask the question. Okay, so make sure you said, "Hey, Sasha, can I understand why you're looking at this? What's this? What's that?" Don't be shy. Okay, don't be shy because the goal of that stream is just to help you guys. Okay, I'm not doing this for views, for clouds, for anything. I'm not doing this for clearly not for money because I don't give a shit. I'm doing this because if I can help one person today, I did my job. Okay, this is the only thing. This is the only reason why I'm still doing this, because I totally don't need to do this. Okay, I got another project I'm working on, and yeah, I need to invest more time in that one. Okay, but I'm still doing this because I really want to help you guys. Okay, okay. So now enough talking. Now the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is still bearish because you look. We created a lower low. This is our lower high, and anything in between those red lines is still bearish. So we got to pull back. Definitely we broke the golden zone here and we went up here, which is almost creating a higher high. So yeah, so my initial goal was to have like a potential pullback around this area to continue to the downside, and didn't happen. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't took that trade, but I think that trade still look pretty interesting. It just We just need to make sure we don't break above this red lines. Okay. um if you look at a 1 hour time frame, 1 hour went hold on, 30 minutes, sorry. 30 minutes went bearish. Wait a second. Okay, so this was, let's do this. Okay, so this, when I talk about structure, guys, this is it. I use those lines because visually it's easier. So we create a high high. Okay, actually this was, what the fuck. So this was our high high, this was our low. Once we broke above and close above, this became, let me put it bigger. So this became our higher high, and this became our higher low. Once we broke under here, we became lower low, so that means bearish, and we broke back above, meaning that this is our higher high, and this is our higher low. I'm always having a hard time in English. And now we did broke under this line. All right, so now this is our lower low. Okay, this is our lower low, and this is our lower high. Okay, very simple, plain and simple. So yeah, so now we're definitely bearish. And what I'll be waiting for this one right now, just like, I just don't like the fact that this 4 hour candle went up here. Just for me, just kind of big no-no. So what I want to see is, actually I want to see 2 hour break under here. Okay, so I want to see this. I want to see, because right now 2 hours is bullish, so I want to see the 2 hour come down here, retest to continue down. Okay, so mostly that's what I'm going to be looking at. So I'm actually going to place an alert right here saying 2 hours going bearish. There you go. Okay, so it's still a nice trade idea, but AUDUSD was cleaner. GU was very good also. So pretty good trade idea right now so far that are still available and might play out. Let's go to Euro AUD weekly. So if you look at the weekly, we are definitely bullish now. Okay, I mean, not now, but we've been bullish for a while. You look here, we went down and retest the weekly area of interest. Now, if you look at the daily time frame, the daily is now bullish. Okay, so this is our daily high low, and this is our high high. Actually, now we have a new high high since yesterday. So if you look here, this is not gonna happen today. Okay, but guys, take some notes, because I mean, look at this. Look at this smaller body candle right here. So that means that there's exhaustion. Okay, that means that we're slowing down. So there's a big chance for price now to come down, retest this daily structure, um, daily area of interest, to continue to the upside. So there's two area where we're gonna come down. There's either this one, which is, if you see, nice daily area of interest. You see resistance, support, support, support. So nice daily area of interest. But right here, we might come down to here also to retest previous structure that was broken. Okay, so we might come down all the way down here. So there's two areas I'm going to be looking to buy. Okay, so pretty solid one. Not going to happen today though, but still going to keep it in my watch list. ADCHF. ADCHF. Okay, so AUDCHF. Sorry guys, man, ADHD kicked in. I thought about a question for Isaac. So yeah. Anyways, let's talk about the AUDCHF here on the weekly time frame. Okay, so here we are bullish, came down, retest daily area of interest. We broke previous structure and went down to the daily area of interest. We're gonna go take a look at this. So right here, actually, I should remove this one so it's out of the way. So now we are at the daily area of interest right here. You see support, support, resistance, and I'm sure if we go down to the left side, we're gonna see some more. We got a nice daily rejection candle right here. And yeah, hold on, wait a second. This is yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, so the problem with this is the daily went bearish. Okay, so daily went bearish. So I would love for this candle right now to do something like, I mean, for the daily to do something like this, something like this, and the reason why it's because this gonna become the high to break to become bullish, and we can come back above and to do this. Okay, so this one is clearly not ready. So yeah, so that's why it's at the bottom of the one I'm watching right now. GCAD was beautiful until yesterday. It had some very good potential, but it's gonna take a couple more days now. If you look at it, GCAD is bullish on the weekly time frame, and if you look on the daily just flip bearish. Okay, so this was look at this. We're gonna change it live together. So basically, I was waiting for break retest here above because it was still bullish. Okay, after this doji candle, I was like, all right, so let's go take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So if the 4-hour flip bullish, we can just break above here, retest, and continue to the upside. But the problem now is the daily. If you go back to the daily, look at this. Let me grab an arrow. If you look here, this was our high low, and we did close and break under. Meaning what? Meaning that the daily is now bearish. So I can't buy here. So I'm going to move this here. So this is now my new, so this is, hold on. So we're going to change that. So this is now the daily lower high, and this is now the daily lower low. Okay, so meaning that now we need to wait for the daily to go bullish. If the daily and the 4-hour are bearish, yeah, you can take a nice day trade, to the downside, but not a big fan. I mean, especially not when I'm in two trades right now, so definitely not. But it can be a nice trade for you guys if you want. Actually, the 4-hour went bullish now. So the daily and the 4 are not even in sync, because if you look here, this was our lower high. Let me grab the arrow again, because this is super important. Because when you start to understand the trend, it just like makes stuff so simple. So this was our lower low, right? But what happened? We pull back and boom, now this is our lower low. So we're gonna move this. Bam. And bam. Meaning that now we did close above here. So I did say something stupid. So we're now bullish on the 4-hour. Sorry, guys. So this is why I place those lines, because originally I was like doing it visually, and I was doing some mistake, because when it's not there, it's easy to get confused, especially when you go over like so many pairs. Me trying to do it fast. Yeah. So, anyways, for oops, for high, high. Here we go. And this is going to be our high low. Yeah. Here we go. Perfect. Excellent. So now I think if we get a retest now, it can be a nice trend. No, the daily is bearish. Sorry. You need two time frame in sync minimum, consecutive time frame to go for a day trade. Okay. If you go for a swing, you need those three time frame in sync. Okay. Very simple. So I'm going to repeat that. If you want to go do a day trade, you can have the, let's say, the 4 hour and the daily bullish, and you take the day trade. If you want to swing, I highly recommend weekly, daily, 4 hour in sync. Okay. And yes, this is coming from, because I know I was going to get the questions coming from Alex. So shout out to him and thank you so much. Okay, so after that we got, I think AUD CAD is done now. Yeah. AUD CAD, I think I'm not. Oh shit. Okay. So AUD CAD just flipped bearish on a weekly. Whoa. Okay, so you know what? Let's remove this. So let's start that with weekly lower high, and this is going to become our lower low. Weekly lower low. There we go. Perfect. Now, if you look on the daily is also bearish. Okay. Okay. Interesting. So this might be a nice setup for next week. Let's start to plan. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one with you in full, so you really know what I look for. Okay, so let's take a look here. So if you look here, this is our lower low, and this is our lower high. Okay, cool. Perfect. So now that we know that weekly and the daily are bearish, we need to go back on the weekly, and we're going to go spot and identify our weekly area of interest. Okay, so anything between those two red lines where we can retest. So just looking at this, spot on. Like when you get used to it, you say, all right, this can be an area of interest. You already know it, guys. You already know exactly where I'm going. I'm going right here, right here. Why is that? You got support, you got another, here we got a resistance, we got another support, we got another support-ish. I know I can extend that a little bit. It's pretty valid. Right here, support. Geez. Okay, so this, you gotta get the point. Okay, so this is a pretty solid one. Pretty solid. Pretty solid area of interest. I'm just going to cover that wick, and perfect. So I'm going to identify this one as a weekly area of interest. Cool. So is there any other area? So let's take a look at this one here. Let's take a look at this one. So here we got one, we got here resistance. If you go to the left side, we got another support. Yeah, this one's pretty valid still. So we got minimum three touches. Okay. So yeah. So let's see. Plus, it's a previous structure. So let's do this weekly area of interest. Usually, you can write week area of interest 1, 2, whatever. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. Now let's go see on the daily. Daily, is there any area that was not on the weekly time frame that makes sense to identify? So let's see here. So this one, you can see that the daily and the weekly are the same on this one. So I'm actually gonna write text. I'm gonna write daily slash weekly slash daily area of interest. This one looks also valid. Looks support. We got support, 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 support. Yeah, I mean support, resistance right here. I forgot. Yeah, I mean pretty solid. So yeah, this one too. Uh, so weekly slash what the fuck? Weekly slash. Okay, so this one here is it valid? So we got resistance, support, support, support. Yeah, this one is also valid. Okay, so this one is a daily area of interest. So okay, so we shall see. Of course, if we pull back here, it's a small pullback. Look at this. So now the other thing that I do, okay, the other thing that I do to identify a legit, can you say that? Legitimate pullback? Geez, this one's hard. Whatever. I also use my fib and I'm like, okay, great. So look at this one. Look at this one. This one is, let me grab this here. This one would be super powerful because this is also a daily golden zone, right? Of course, I cannot use the fib right now because we don't have a daily bullish candle yet. Okay, but this is just to give us an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that not get confused. But I'm having a hard time with my English this morning, guys. Um, but yeah, so this is the other thing that I do because I mean, if we pull back up to here, break retest, yes, it's doable because I mean, you're breaking under structure, retest, and you continue down. It's totally possible. But I think after a big move like this, you're gonna need a pretty bigger pullback. But we shall see. So now the 4 hour is bearish also. Let's take a look here. The 30 minute and the 1 hour. The 1 hour is still bullish. 30 minute is 30 minute now is bullish also. Let's do this one and this one. We're gonna do 30 minute. Copy that and here. Cool. Um so yeah, so right now we are bullish on the 30 minute. So meaning that if we do break under here, 30 minute will flip bearish. Okay. So basically, I mean, ND 4 hour right now, 4 hour, we said we are, I mean, right now, this is an elbow. Yeah, did a mistake here. This is an elbow, and now we are bullish. So, okay. So this is for our high and for our lower high. I mean, what am I saying? High, low. There we go. Perfect. Meaning that if we break under here, same alert. Now 4 hours going bearish. So I should add 30 minute and 4 going bearish. So that's why it's in blue. Not ready yet. Not close to be ready, but very interesting. Okay, very very interesting. Um. Okay, so any question? Let's see if we have any question. No question. Okay, we're good. And the rest, what about Entity CAD? I think Entity CAD is no, not happening. Entity GPY, no. Yo, that one is heartbreaking. Yeah, that one is like I did a paper trade on that one and played out super nicely. I was like, shit. So I did break that down on Forex Talk over beer. So this is a pretty perfect setup. So if you want to find out, just watch Forex Talk over beer from last Thursday. You'll see the breakdown. And what about that? What about that? Euro NZD? Yeah, I explained that one too on Thursday, and I explained where I did exit on that one. Right, this was right here. Yeah. Um, Euro USD continuation. Look at this. Look at this. Damn. I mean, the TP was eventually hit. Don't get me wrong, but yeah. I'll also break that down. But here now the daily went bearish, so not interesting. Actually, I should update this. So this is gonna be lower low. This is gonna be lower high. Weekly is still wait, what? Oh, weekly is still bullish. Hold on, wait a second. Daily. Oh yeah, daily went what? Yeah. Daily went bearish. Okay, good. Yeah, so not interested at all. Okay, so let's go back to GJ. All right, so GJ nothing. Yeah, because I know people's gonna ask about the GJ. Nothing. Oh, let's do gold. Let's do gold, baby. Let's talk about gold, baby. Let's talk about you and me. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. Yo, you see, I marked this down like last week. If you go here, fuck, yo, this is crazy. Yep, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So I said, all right, let's do on the daily this break, come down, retest this area to continue down. So this is what I marked down last week, and looks like we kind of retested already. But let's do this. So all right. So let's go take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame now is we got the infamous shampoo pattern. Boom, 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 boom. But the problem is it's going up, so I don't really like it. So 4 hour right now is bearish. 4 hours bearish. 2 hour and 1 hour are mostly ranging. They are inside that square, right? So yeah, I don't really like gold this morning. I mean, yeah, there can be a scalp to the downside here if you find resistance. Maybe on a 15, 5, not much. 30-minute is bearish, 1 hour is bearish. Not true. 1 hour is wait a second. Wait a second, ladies and gentlemen. So let's start from here. So this was our lower low. Okay, so we became bullish, and yeah, anything between is bullish. So let's do this. Here we go. So here, 1 hour is bullish. Okay, so if you want to go to the downside, you need to break under here. But I still think that this daily is going to do this here, right here. Daily is going to do this retest, and after that, we're going to continue down. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, boy, let's go. Sequoia, good morning, buddy. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Paul, do you watch CoffeeZilla on YouTube? No clue what it is. No clue what it is. CoffeeZilla, kind of scary. I know Godzilla. Coffeezilla? Don't know. No clue, man. No clue. Um, let's see here. Okay, so let's go back to GU here. So GU is pushing, man. GU GU is about to go bullish. Wait a second. Wait a second. So this daily broke previous high. Looks pretty good. The 4 hour is about to go. I mean, 4 hour was still bullish. And even if you count this elbow, I mean, it went bearish. And let's say that it was bearish. Okay. So let's say, just for a fact, that would be meaning that would be our high to break, and this is our low. This is not an elbow. Boom, boom, boom. Meaning that we need to be above here if you want to play safe. Okay, if you want to play safe. I personally don't count this as an elbow. So meaning that 4 are still bullish. 1 hour, 1 hour went bullish, and 30 minute is just about to go bullish. Yep, 30 minutes about to go bullish. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But I'm looking at this, and you see if you do this, this is not, this is not an elbow. This is an elbow, you know? Um, like, this is clearly an elbow. Like, even this one is sketchy. Like, this one is not. This is clearly an elbow. Do you guys understand what I mean by an elbow? Um, like, like here, like here it's super clear, you got an elbow, right? You got an elbow, right? Here you don't have an elbow. Here you have an elbow. Here you clearly have an elbow, right? You guys get it? Because I know it's confusing sometimes, and I think that's for the eyes, like it's kind of tough-ish, and it's kind of, depends on the person how you see it, I guess. So it's not super 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 precise, but yeah. Because when there's room for interpretation, it gets confusing sometimes. Yeah, so GU is pushing nicely now. Okay, so let's go take a look at UD. Oh, let's go, baby. Okay, so this running 15 pips right now on USD CHF, 15 pips, and on AUD USD, we are in drawdown still. I'm gonna show it to you. USD, we are minus 3 pips. So we'll see how it goes. Did we close under here? Yeah, but we're still bullish anyways. 1 hour still bullish. Just depends if you count this elbow, but still. Yeah, boy. 4 hours nice. This was the pullback. If you use this, boom. We rejected the safety net right here. We retested previous 4 hour structure. Should be nice. Should be nice. I would love to see this close as a doji. like in 30 minutes, 38 minutes. This, if it closes like a doji, is gonna be a nice 4 hour rejection. We should be Gucci. Um, hold on, wait a second here. He did expose Uncle Ted. Yeah, I mean, bro, I don't know what's going on there. It's kind of sketchy. Um, but I'm definitely curious though. I'm definitely curious because he was. I know, man. I don't know. It's just like it drives me nuts. Like how people can. I don't know. 'Cause I cannot judge because I don't know the story. But if it's true, it's just like drives me nuts that people can gain the confidence. Can you say confidence of people and scam them like this? It's just like drive me nuts. This is also why I never put my money into a trader, um, a broker that's owned by a trader. It's just like for me, just like I don't know. It's just no. Like even maybe it's more sketchy to do. I don't know. I prefer not to know the person than knowing the person, I guess, because I would feel so fucking mad, like yeah, you know. That's also why I never, people at first was asking me like, why didn't are you not using Raj's broker? And I mean, the reason was pretty simple at the time. It was new, and personally, like I don't like to put my money where I like if something happened, like if something would have happened, like I think I would have flew down to to this place and just be super fucking mad, just like so I prefer not to know the person, just like so nothing can happen, just like but I'm sure there's good one. I'm sure that like Raja so far is doing good. So like not saying that, it's just like I don't know, man. It's crazy to think that um he was gaining a lot of people's confidence, and now this is happening or this not happening. Like I said, I don't know, but I'm just being curious. So send me a private DM with the link. I'm curious. I'm gonna go take a look at it. I don't want to spread the drama, but yeah, it looks pretty bad. I know that Clay went to Vegas, I think, to meet him face to face, and the guy kind of, I don't know if it's true or not, but the guy declined the meeting or something happened, so I don't know, but whatever. Um, yeah, it's just sad. It's just fucking sad that people lost money. I heard a pretty bad story about one guy that lost a lot on that broker. So yeah, it's pretty sad that in today's what like with everything's happening right now, like that you're trying to scam people. Just man, I don't have the word. It just pissed me off really bad. Pissed me off really bad. I hope it's not true. But yeah, because I mean, we were all in the same stream with Raja, and it just, I don't know, feels pretty bad. Because I keep getting questioned about it, but I have no clue, dude. I've never been affiliate. I never took eh, Uncle Ted's course or anything. It was just like on the stream when I was live with Raja, and that's about it. Um, send him a couple DM there and there, but that's about it. Not much. It was mostly to send him some merch from Raja, so nothing really personal. Didn't know the guy personally, um, but yeah. Anyways, I know that. He has some pretty good soldier to defend him there. I think that Captain Angry is one of them. This guy's funny. So I'm sure he's gonna be good. Yeah. Anyways, enough talk about this. Let's talk about some more serious stuff. And we're about to 8:30. We're about to close on that 30 minute. Um, just want to go see here. Yeah, this can we close? Yeah, it would be great. Close nice small body engulfing after this 30 minute rejection would be pretty nice. Kind of a double bottom ish. Yeah, that would be perfect. So we got another like 2 minute 20 seconds. It would be pretty nice. It would be pretty nice. What about the 1 hour? 1 hour? Okay. 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 Did expose and filter. Yeah, I'm curious, man, Paul, if you can send that link. I'm gonna go take a look. So it's let's go. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. No, 30-minute, please. Come back up. Yeah. Um, USD CHF is doing good. This 1 hour close like this, it's gonna be pretty good too. No top wick too on that 1 hour. That's pretty good. Pretty good for continuation here. 30-minute engulfing will be nice also. Looks pretty good. Looks good. Looks good. We got 1 minute left. And this is gonna be also the NY Open. Um, no problem sending now. Thanks, bud. Thank you, thank you. Need to find a hotel for tonight. God damn. Going to Quebec City. Actually, might go next week. We shall see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We got 25 seconds. 25 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Well, you can see there's volume kicking in. That candle's moving back and forth. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Close. Here we go. Oh, what happened? Whoa, what the hell? Wait, what? Oh no, please tell me there's. Did I didn't check news. Uh-oh. Forex Factory. Where are you? Oh, CPI. Canada. That shouldn't be. That should be okay. And what about this? This should be good. Yeah, nothing crazy. CPI AUD though. But I'm not in AUD trade. Am I in a? Fuck, I'm in AUD USD session. God damn it. That's tonight. Okay. That's tonight. That's tonight. Okay, so this is a nice close here. This pushed up pretty quickly though. Let's see, which is kind of good because usually when it goes that way pretty fast, it's grabbing liquidity to come down, so it should be fine. 80 USD did close smaller body candle on the 30-minute. Sad. What about the 1 hour? 1 hour closed bearish engulfing. Not good. Not good at all. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, I like this rejection though. But look at this. I mean, there's another thing too that you can look at. It's like, what the fuck is going on here? It's actually my FX book. Tout effacé. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Look at all those rejection at this level. I mean, what the fuck is going on, dude? Shut the fuck up. Sorry, guys. Look at all those rejection here. So yeah, I kind of like this though. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I like this. Yo. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Damn, son. Use the CHF. Ooh, look at this. Nice rejection here. Nice rejection. Nice rejection here. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna set this and let it play out. Oh, let's talk about TP before we go. Let's talk about TP. So basically, TP on AUD USD is based out of this area right here. You see to the left. There's a lot of rejection here, and this is just prior to this resistance. Um, so yeah, so I placed this there. That's a 3 to 1. But I'm gonna look at it. If there's no sign of coming down, I'm gonna keep holding. The goal would be to hold up to this daily structure. Okay, that would be amazing. This would be like a 6.5. Yeah, let's say 6.5. Let's 68 7 800. Yeah, 6.5 right here. That will be the ultimate goal. So we shall see. If there's no rejection around this area, I'm going to keep holding. But first TP will be right here. So if I see any sign of rejection, I'm just going to secure my profit, maybe leave a small runner. But my plan is to be able to hold in full up to year. And USDCHF TP is based on my previous TP right here, which is also going to be a 3 to 1. If you look right here, 3 to 1 right here. Yeah. And if you look on the daily time frame, this is at this previous area. Oh, this was based on the weekly. Yeah. Just a little further than the weekly support. And the reason why is because I wanted my 3 to 1, but this one is different. This one, if I see any sign of rejection here, I'm closing this shit. Because even if it's a 2 to 1 or 2.5, I'm going to be closing. Because, I mean, look at all those wick rejection right here. TP is officially set at 3 to 1, but I'm actually going to place an alert right now. Because if price, plays around there, I'm going to be playing around. So let's do an alert here. Let's call it TP1. Perfect. Cool. Let's do the same thing here for AUDUSD. Let's call TP1 kind of right here. Boom. TP1. There we go. Cool. Awesome. So right now, AUDUSD is finally back in profit. Jeez, it's about time. It's about time. Not much, like a pip, not even 0.5, but whatever. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like all those rejection. USDCHF is coming down. Perfect. Awesome, guys. So this looks pretty good. Again, if you have any question, send me a DM, write something in the description. It'll be my pleasure to help you guys. I'm gonna be there. We're gonna be here next Tuesday morning, and also Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer, where I'm gonna be breaking down trades and answering questions. Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for being here, and I wish you an amazing, amazing, amazing day. Take care.